How to check limited time offers on Shake Shack website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you looking for the latest Shake Shack deals? Well, here is how to check limited time offers online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once you're inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, once you're inside the website, you can simply log in with a credential and once logged in on the home page, simply navigate to the offers or promotion section and there you'll see all current limited time menu items, discount and special deals available at your location. So there you can click on any offer for more details including availability dates, pricing and order instructions. And with that, just a pro tip is some offers may be location specific, so double check your Shack location before ordering. And that's it. That's how you can check limited time offers online on the Steak Shack. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.